So, hi guys, my name is Vishwa, and I'm studying in Primal Engineering College, Computer Science and Engineering. So, currently I'm doing this project for 360 ripples. So, basically under 360 ripples for synergic technology. So, this is my project. My project name is Provider Management System. Okay, it is a sub project of insurance management system where the claims departments and the agents departments will take space. In that I am doing a module as a provider management system. Under my project we can do adaptations on a providers and their respective plans. Yeah, basically it would be a provider and the plans provided by these providers. So this is my part of the project, and my teammates will do a agent part and claims part and policy management and then the claims part. So this is a 5 group project, and I am doing one of the part as a provider management system. So let's dive into our project. So this is my login page. Here you can use a username and the password for login. If you wrongly enter the password means it will show as a invalid password does not match. And then if I give the correct password means it will directly take me to the home page. Yeah, this is my landing page or a home page for a provider management system. So here we can see my name as Hi Vishwa. Whoever logins, they can see their name as well. So this is my home page and this is my sidebar. So these are the thread operations for provider. So we can create a provider as a some. Yeah. So can create a provider as an indeed that. So provider name will be sample, and then we should enter the contact number. The contact number should be minimum 10 letters. So let's see, if I enter only 5 numbers for the contact number means it will show an error. So it will just show an indicator. So I have to enter the complete digit. So if I enter like hashtag symbols or any special characters for a contact means it is also shows an error. Only underscores hyphen symbol only allowed for a contact number, because sometimes we will use a 044 like that no. So for this only hyphen symbol is allowed. So next, mail pattern. So there should be a perfect mail pattern also. So if I remove this means it will show some error. There is a mail pattern, and then we can select the city as a drop down. So on the street name, and then the launch date, and then some testimonials. Yeah, testimonials and descriptions. And then if we give create means the provider will successfully create it. So we can see in the provider list, this is my provider list, we can see the provider 98.sample, it is gets created. So for demo purpose I have created this. Now I am trying to delete this. So yeah, and you can see I can edit, I can view the entire details, and I can delete the particular provider. So here it is showing only 4 characters, 4 fields only. So if I'm trying to see what would be the city of the provider means I can't able to see it here. So for that I have to click the details page. So if I click the details page means I can see, yeah, he is from his city is Chennai, his street is number 4 main street, and his mail ID and his testimonials, and then the descriptions and the launch, the entire detail we can see this in this fetch bar. And we can also fetch some providers also. If I try to fetch 1 or 2 means, yeah, you can see I can fetch 1 or 2 details. So if I enter some unknown means, so let's enter 80, it will say provider not found. If there is a provider with if there is no provider with provider ID as 80 means it will show that. So we can edit this also. So let's go back to list, and then we are trying to edit this. So 98 sample I have entered. So I'm trying to edit the phone number. This is not the correct phone number, no. So I'm entering it as like this. So it is successfully uploaded. Let's go back to the list and see that. Yeah, you can see the phone number got edited. So and then delete page. We can delete this provider also. So and this is my fetch provider, this is my provider list. Yeah, in this provider list I have used a data model table, so you can search the providers also. For example, I'm trying to search with the mail ID, means I can put under, yeah, you can see I have searched in the mail ID Muthoot Finance. So I trying to select name, means yeah, there's two providers with the name Bharti. Okay, like this we can able to search and see also. And I have options for a bulk upload also. Here we have to choose the file. Before that, give a minute, I will delete the unwanted providers. So I'm deleting the unwanted provider because from the bulk upload I'm going to upload the same providers only, then it will show us an error, some error. So I'm trying to choose the file. So I have chosen this file, and the file contains two providers, 78 and 68. It's Bharti and Kaushik, and I'm giving open, and then a bulk upload means successfully upload the providers. It is showing an indicator. So if I refresh this page, means I can see them in our list. 68 and 78 are occurred. So if I try to upload the same, means I can't able to. Okay, 78 and 68. If I upload this, means welcome. These providers in the file could have already exist. It is showing like this. So if I try to access and change them, means I can feed them. So for example, let's see. Yeah, this is the provider ID, no? So I am changing this provider ID as 80, and then I am changing this provider ID as 70, and then I am saving this file, and I am choosing this file 80 and 70. Okay, and then if I click bulk upload, means wait a second. Yeah, successfully uploaded the providers. So if I refresh this page, means yeah, 70 and 80 are taken place. So this is the bulk upload. And then for a provider list, so this is a provider list, search options, and providers and plans. This is a card visual. Here we can see which other plans lying under them. Under Vishwa, I'm having a plan called the G1. Okay, under ICICI, I'm having 3 plans: health plan B, life plan Y, and Palani plan. So these are the plans under the providers. And then we can see the provider report also. Here we can see, yeah, provider Vishwa has totally only 1 plan. Its minimum plan amount is 70,000, and LIC has totally 2 plans. Its minimum plan amount is 1,000. He's having a plan amount under 1,000 also. From that, he are having the plans up to 5 lakhs. From a plan to 1,000, he is having a plan to 5 lakhs. So average commission rate for him is 8%. We can also sort this also, and we can see Muthoot Finance has a less commission percentage compared to all of them. So we can see Bajaj Finance and all. So if we are starting with the total number of plans, means we can see ICICI and Bajaj having the highest number of plans. And if I want to download this, means download this report as a Excel format also, we can download them. If I click report, means yeah, the report gets downloaded, and we can see, wait a minute, yeah, we can see the report. Okay, let's get downloaded. So this is my provider, and the plans, and then these are the adaptations to the plans. Here we can create a plan, and then a same like we can fetch a plan, and this is a plan list. So here also the search option will work. So if I'm trying to see the plans under LIC, which I can see like this, and I can see the life plans, which I can see like this. Yeah, these are the life plan. So here life plans means, yeah, there are 4 life plans under which providers and which subtype they lies on, and what is the coverage amount, what is objective tables. If I want to see the plan in detail, means I can click detail, and then I can see the plan details also. So this is here also I am having the options for a bulk upload. Yeah, okay, these are my plan list and plan and providers. Under under one plan there should be a provider for one plan. Yeah, one provider who would provide that plan. So it is a one-to-one relationship. For providers under one provider there may be multiple plans. It is a one-to-many relationship. So these are the one-to-one and one-to-many relationships I have handled. And yeah, hope I given the summary for my project thoroughly. So this is my project. It has a collaboration for providers and their plans, and additionally it has reports and then the card visuals under plans. Then if I give logout means it will go back to the home page, and we can't access the from the URL. It will stays in the background because I have used JW token for this. So this is my project. Thank you for watching.